Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to draw a projection of an object. Firstly, we need a paper, a ruler, a pen and eraser. Let's start. Firstly, we're gonna draw two lines like this with ruler. The four equal parts we have separated. Upper left section is front view, left lower section is the top view, upper right section is the side view. In every way we draw, we leave a space of 1 cm with the lines in the middle, like this. 1 cm, 1 cm. Now we are going to draw the front of the figure in the Now we finished our first view. Let's give the centimeters. Now let's draw the top view of the object here. Watch here carefully. Let's finish this. Let's give a centimeters. We have finished this too. We can pass the last view of object. Again, leaving a centimeter of space. 1. Let's turn. Now that we have finished the side drawing of the figure, let's give the centimeters. Our projection is finished. Thank you for watching and listening. Goodbye.